Let's take a careful look at this tapestry. Smaller than some of the others, 70 centimetres by 90. It is, in fact, extremely special. It was a commissioned piece, not commissioned by us, but then abandoned at the shop, which was a craft specialist shop, by the person who had ordered it. And when we came into the shop and saw it, we were charmed by it and decided to take it in their stead. As you can see, it shows many different types of birds, and that was the theme of the commission, to represent birds of Poland in a tapestry. So that itself makes it special. But there's another feature to this tapestry too. It's what's called an Olsztyn tapestry because it is double-sided. And when we flip it over, we can see that the other side is identical, but in reverse. The same house, the same birds, but the colours reversed out. A very special tapestry indeed.